Alright, what's up everybody? We're back at it again. Just kind of chilling in the garage. What's good with everybody? Today I'm finally getting around to putting that eBay JDM steering wheel on. There it is in the box. I'm going to show you guys how to put it in. Yeah. Alright, just remember the first thing you're going to want to do, make sure the battery terminal is unplugged. And I already have mine disconnected, so the battery's already drained. But if you didn't leave yours overnight, like I leave mine, just leave it for like 20 minutes at least. Alright, so right now I'm just running the stock Miata wheel, and I'm tired of it, so we're going to throw the other one in. Help clean up the interior a bit. It'll look pretty nice. Alright, so what you're going to want to do when you're installing the steering wheel, you're just going to want to take off these screws here. Or, I'm sorry, bolts. I think they're 10 millimeters. Right in the back. Oop. There's right in the back of the steering wheel here. And the other side has the same exact two 10 millimeter bolts. So just go ahead and take those off, and that'll allow this airbag section to come off, and then you can start unhooking the harnesses. Alright, now all four bolts are taken out, so this should come off. Let's see. There we go. And so you can see in there is the wire and the blue and orange harnesses. One is for the airbag and one is for the horn, but we don't need this anymore, so I'm going to take off this string and unplug both harnesses. Alright, as you can see, the airbag is out now. We removed it, and also we took off this little harness. It was pretty hard to take off, so I did it off camera. I kind of had to pry it off because it's never been taken off, so it's pretty tight, but you know, I got it off. Next thing is just taking off this. It's a 20 millimeter bolt, and I got this guy here. It fits right on, so I'm gonna take this thing off, and then I'll show you the next step.
He makes it look so easy, ladies and gentlemen.
There we go.
Oh, you know what you should have did? You should have left it on, like halfway.
Oh yeah, so I can bang it off.
Yeah, so you could bang it off.
This is gonna be the hard part.
I don't think so. Not for you. You've been benching. Look at that upper body strength, ladies and gentlemen. Look at those massive forearms. See, he's got it.
Gains.
Yeah, all kinds of gains.
There it is.
Cool.
And since we're using this, the eBay Boss Hub, the tabs don't line up the way they're marked. See right there, it says top. It's supposed to line up with these tabs here, because you want these to go in the back, but it doesn't quite line up right. So what I did, I lined it up with the wheel, and I added my own marks here. I'm going to drill some holes. I don't know if you can see the white lines. There we go. I'm going to drill some holes there, and then they'll be able to line up with the tabs, and I'll be able to put the wheel on straight, because otherwise the wheel itself will be turned counterclockwise, and it'll look just half done, you know. I want it to look perfectly straight. That way the wheels will be straight when the wheel's straight, you know, the way it's supposed to be. So there it is. So I'm gonna drill that out right now. Alright, so I took this punch And I started off the holes here. You can see that. I'm gonna make them a little bit bigger. I'm gonna use this drill bit. Just kind of flare out the hole and just make it big enough to fit the tab in. But this way we'll be able to rock our steering wheel straight. So that's what's up. That's pretty dope. It's gonna look good. Alright, I'm gonna get to it. Let me just change this out real quick and I'll drill it in. So the new holes are drilled in. Hopefully these line up perfectly with the tab. I try to mark them as good as I could. I think they'll do. So I'm gonna try it out, and then I'm gonna show you how to hook up the wires without having the airbag light, because nobody wants an airbag light when they're driving around.
So what do you have to do? You cut the wires off?
Yeah, you take off this old plug, and there's gonna be a gray and a red wire, and we're gonna hook those up. See, this thing's kind of old.
Yeah, our strippers are a little shot. We've used them for other stuff besides cutting.
Cutting up dope.
Yeah. My brother going, probably. He's a big time D-boy.
So, as you see in here,
Just pull that sheathing back. You should get a razor blade, slice it.
down.
Let's see,
We got a knife here.
got a knife, that'll work.
Just remember, we are a professional, but we're unlicensed. There we go.
And how that works, I don't know.
We live in Mexico.
Yeah, we're professionals, but we're unlicensed. There you go.
So now I'm just kind of stripping the wires down. There we go.
Nice.
Now these two are getting hooked together. I gotta strip this a tiny bit more back to give me some more wiring, but these two are gonna go connected. And this, I'm wiring it into this. This came with the kit, so this is gonna go together. And it's gonna plug in to the back of the horn button. This clip goes right in. So that'll give power to the horn. And these two just go together, and that's the airbag. So there we go, guys. All I did was tighten this up, and as you can see, those little tabs, they fit perfect. I had to drill it out a tiny bit more off camera just to get it to fit in, because I had to make the hole a tiny bit bigger. But you don't want to go too big at first and make it huge, you know. You could like work your way up to it, but that's what I did. And I just put the middle bolt in. You don't want to put that too tight. You just want it to be snug enough to like see it's flush back there. You don't want to go any tighter than that, because if you keep cranking it too much, you're going to snap these and you'll have no turn signals, and that's going to be a big mess. So there we go. And this is the horn wire. I hooked it up to the other one. That's all I did, just hook it together. And this has a cover that goes over it, so it's gonna, you won't even see the wires. So I'm gonna fasten it down right now and show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so everything is strapped down now. Now I can bend it off. It feels good. The only problem, the horn button is like sideways for some reason. It didn't line up right. But I'm getting a different horn button anyway, so that's not going to be too much of a problem, because I don't like this eBay one. It looks gay. But yeah, let's see, I'll get out of the car. You guys can see. There we go. See it kind of tied in the car together. I'm just going to clean up everything, and that'll be it for the day. Peace out.